Would you like to talk into the camera?
It's now a fully fledged site. As you see today, we have doctors from Pilo Hospital, we have doctors from Native Daya Hospital, and you can see that it's not only a certain group of doctors, it's a whole profession, medical profession. We have junior doctors, we have mid-level doctors, we have even our senior amongst us. And you notice that even the clinical director himself was part of this event. So it's a full-fledged strike, it's a full-on strike, and we're not going back, we're not going to resume work until Peter Magomed is found, and he's found alive, sound, and safe. And after that, we want him to bring back his heart, to come back with money. We want the government to capacitate him. We want the government to give him enough resources to be reporting for work. Today, everyone is Peter Magomed. We want the government to capacitate us.
Thank you very much. That was Dr. Anne Lebepa.